everybody, welcome to Simple AI Solutions YouTube edition. In this video I'm going to show you how we turn this script into a video. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is click on the little icons here, or if you're in Bing, open a new tab in your browser, click on these three icons, and we want to click All Apps, and across here you'll find Clipchamp. So just open Clipchamp up. I'm going to drag it next to my video script. I'm going to rename this to video script 2 because it's the second time I've attempted to make this video. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new video, and then we're going to go to record and create, text to speech, and we're going to go back to our video script and we're going to put in the first part. Paste that in. We'll listen to the voice. I'm not sure you'll be able to hear that. Let me just quickly change it so you can hear it.
Adventures, VR experiences, or nostalgic remakes, there's something for everyone in the upcoming year. So let's get started.
There we go. I might change that to Guy because he sounds a little bit more excited.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my gaming blog. I'm your host, named...
So I better change that to... There we go, ready?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my gaming blog. I'm your host, Lou.
So that's that part. So now that I've selected create, I'm going to drag and paste that into there. And we're going to go back to the script, Cloud VR. We're going to get the audio part again, copy it all. Copy. Go back to Clipchamp, record, text to speech, paste that in. And I'm also going to get the top bit that says cloud and VR hardware. I'm going to go back to there and put this at the top. And I'm going to change the voice from Guy to, I reckon, Ashley. And here we go, ready? This is a bit long.
Cloud and VR hardware. One of the biggest trends in gaming is the advancement of cloud and VR hardware. Cloud streaming will bring accessibility to new markets, allowing gamers to play high-end games on it.
There we are, so I'll just add that in. So that's 1 minute long. So this is going to be like at least a 3-minute long video. So let me go and grab the next part, which is video game adaptions. Let's go back, create and record, text to speech, paste. And I'm probably going to use Brandon's voice, see what this sounds like. And I'm going to grab the video game.
Another trend in gaming is the adaptation of video game IP to other mediums. Consumers will be able to watch their...
Let's play it again.
Video game adaptations. Another trend in gaming is the adaptation of video game IP to other mediums.
Save that. Check that, put that in. And now we're just going to go back. Game adaptions, another trend. Video, grab AI and VR. Copy that. Clipchamp, record and create, text to speech, paste. And I'm going to get the title, which is AI Innovations. And I'm going to put that at the top. And then I'm going to change Brandon's voice to Cora, maybe.
AI and VR innovations. Another trend in gaming is the innovation of AI.
There we go. So I'm going to drag that bit up there. Shouldn't be many more now. It's nearly 3 minutes long. So video script, AI and innovations. So conclusion. I reckon the conclusion can go back to Guy. What do you think? Let's copy that. And let's record and create, text to speech. Change it back to Guy. Put in the conclusion, Guy. What do you say, Guy? You may as well spell out conclusion as well. Guy. Let's go.
Conclusion. So these are some of the gaming trends to look out for in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
There we go. There's Guy finishing it off for us nicely. Okay, so that is basically the full script for our video from start to finish. It's about 3 minutes 15 seconds long.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my gaming blog.
Maybe a bit longer.
I'm your host, Lewis, and today I'm going to talk about some of the most exciting gaming trends to look at.
So thank you very much. In the next video, we're going to continue to create this, add some visuals, and yeah, we'll go from there. See you in the next video.